Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Rodney Ackerman. Our topic for today is why the choice of your niche is critical. And the reason for that is that if you get it wrong, it's going to be a complete waste of time. If you get it right, you'll be paid monthly or annually, whichever is your preference. Now, let's just get an idea of what is relevant for seniors, because that's the market we're working on, isn't it? The question I think is very relevant for a pensioner to ask is, by how much is your pension savings growing? And why I ask that question is, if your pension growth is lower than inflation, well then every month inflation is eating away at your earnings. And as far as lifestyle alignment is concerned, we need to be able to work from home. Gone are the days of traveling to office, all that money spent in traffic and car maintenance. Let's just work from home, and let's have a business that is simple to run, preferably low stress, and one that provides leverage income, not one based upon the hours you spend. You know, a consultant is the wrong type of business. And it also needs to provide a reliable monthly or annual income. Now, you may be saying, that all sounds great, but I'm new to this. What if I make a mistake? Well, the good news for you there is that could be stressful. But what you could do is learn from when it went wrong and pivot slightly. It doesn't have to be a major change. You just know what you mustn't do. And so you can learn by making mistakes. If you think about that, isn't that the only way we learn? Is by making a mistake? Well, that's real learning. And the good news about that is that our expertise that is gained from making mistakes builds over time. So we'll get better and better and make fewer and fewer mistakes. But of course, only if we take action. If we sit there scratching our heads wondering what else I need to learn, do I need to do another course? I'm not going to learn anything. There are also free tools to get started, and I'm referring here to YouTube. You don't pay anything to use YouTube, and it's the largest marketing platform on the web. There's also free AI tools available. And I'm going to introduce you to a marketing platform where you can sign up for a free version that is fully functional. So there's no need to get stressed or challenged about that either. And the most important thing to do is to remember that whatever you do must produce a monthly or an annual income. Now, when starting this type of business, there are many niches that you could sign up for that most affiliate marketers land up considering for their business. The first one is the health niche. That is a huge market. A lot of seniors are struggling with their health. But it's mainly one-off purchases. You know, if you found a solution to your health issue, well, then you have a solution. You're not going to look for another one. So it's not ideal for pension type income, in my opinion. As far as relationships are concerned, it's also a big market, but there's again little returning income. Once you've found how to solve your relationship issues, you solve them. You're not going to look for more products. So again, I don't think it's ideal for a pension type income. Now let's have a look at the wealth niche. The reality for most of us is our pensions are being eaten away by inflation every month. And time and inflation create a huge risk, plus the fact that we are living longer. Therefore, people never stop looking for ways to earn more income. And the good news too is that most wealth-related products are subscription-based. The conclusion is that the wealth niche wins hands down. And you may be wondering why I've got this topic here of AI, why that fits the wealth niche perfectly. Well, why I mention that is that what AI does is it assists with content creation, and research. Therefore, AI increases leverage, which is important for us because we don't have a lot of time left. We can get more done in less time once we know how to use AI properly. And that's the biggest challenge we have. So what is the combination, therefore, of the wealth niche and seniors' superpower? Seniors' superpower? Well, seniors' superpower is their authority. They have years of experience, and the younger people cannot just replace that. They don't have the years of experience. It's going to take them a long time to get where we are as seniors, and it makes us more authentic. Only thing we need to be aware of is to be current. We need to learn more tools, and here I'm referring to artificial intelligence, AI. So the next step in the journey for you, I'm just going to move this up a little bit. Because AI is the biggest business disruptor we've seen for decades, there's a lot of misinformation out there about how to use it, which tool to use, and all those there's a massive variations there. So it's easy to get stuck in trying to find out the best way to do it. What I recommend you do is click on the link immediately below this video, and that will take you to a page that will explain everything that I think you need to know about regarding AI. And the second link below that is a link to a internet marketing platform that you can sign up for the free version. Don't sign up for the paid version initially. The free version is fully functional, and you will have all the time you need to get to the point of deciding whether that tool is appropriate for your business. And once you know that, then you know it's worth upgrading to a paid version. Thank you for watching this video. If you've learned anything valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And in the next video, I'll take a deeper dive into affiliate marketing programs, so you understand those at a deeper level. Thank you very much. My name is Rodney Ackerman.